Jigglypuff Gaming PC Build, Part 2. So Thermaltake was kind enough to send out 3 of their 120mm ARGB iScale fans, as well as their IceFleet X5 CPU cooler. I'm super excited to unbox these, so let's just get right into it, shall we? One cool thing about Iceberg Thermal is they send out this little syringe of thermal paste. Generally, when you buy an aftermarket cooler, they don't send you any thermal paste, or very little, so that's definitely a plus. Alright, so fast forward today after my car accident. Alright, so we got the Jigglypuff build right here all gutted out and stuff. Excuse the random pool noodle, because I just realized that my Asus B450 board does not support 12-volt RGB, but mine does. So we are going to be giving them this one, which is out of my personal rig, and they will be getting an upgrade from the Ryzen 5 1600 to the Ryzen 5 5600X and the RX 5600 XT XFX RAW 2, I do believe. And the reason being is because the Iceberg Thermal fans, they support 12-volt ARGB and not 5-volt. So I'm gonna get all of this done like off camera, since I don't have like my full dexterity on my fingers yet. So I'll see you guys later.